So hello everyone, I wanted to check if the live starts well and let's see what next. So live is working well and so let first I want to just make introduction about my project that was a question and answer website that you can put your question and other people can answer your question, sorry. So I want to add features of the subscription, so you should to pay first after to see what is the answer or maybe the content of the post. So this is basically what is a feature. So first I can I want to access, so let's see the screen. I want to access the project, so it's on the C director and in the exam, and whose name is storing full web applications. So this is the project. I will open my VS Code and let's see the server is start running or not. So I will start my server and here I will start my local server. So that basically change the theme of the projects. I think on the preferences and the theme we select the theme. So I think this is more good, and let's start. So let's check if the website running. Now is cool. So sorry, before we start we want to share the so my new feature, sorry, a new feature of subscription. good watching. So I just publish. So this is the website. I want to access the database and see what is the user. Databases, and that select what is database. I think the name is storing test DB blog website. So check. So the database is named Laravel. So we use Laravel, sorry, and select all from user. We have this email and let login. And now let's see, sorry, but I think the name and email are really here the ID is null. So I want to go to the story, but where is controller? So the story controller, I think on the home, because we want to solve this, the null of the ID. So he returned this error. So just we want to make the null case. We return, for example, there is you should authenticate it or something else. And let's see what is the next. What is the home? Favorite, post, reactions, stories. I think here, or stories, ID. More stories. Okay. So I want to just copy this and go to So let's see now. Can access the resource on the view and all the stories. Here we want to update, and let's see now. So as you can see here, we have got the post. So basically we have not authenticated yet on the website, and we just has a role as a visitor of the website. And here, if is it null or not, we just to return the value of the other people. So the value that I mean here is the post of other people. And basically about here, but the problem is on the login. I don't know what is the problem. So I think the problem here so let's create a new account. Let's make a random, what is this, username. Oh, sorry, I want to access by the email, but here I think it will log in successfully, as you see. And this is my account. I don't have any questions. And let's see this category, all the stories. And now ID post. For example, let's make a new account and name it testing, and the last name testing, then the email is testing, and the testing, the number is, and the register. Now let's see what is the password. Let's save it, and the testing, and we have opened a new account. Let's post something like data questions, and here that, for example, how to test the how to test in backend development. And here let's get the response from the user, from the Google, and take the data. Or so let's copy this. And I create my questions. So this is with basically with the new user. And if we want to answer or replay for this post, you can see your replay. So what is the next? The next is to make in subscriptions features that for example you cannot read all the content of the website, of the articles or the questions or the answer until you make paid. So let's see how we can make these features. So I want to show you the website. So basically here I want to add features of the so first we want to use some permissions and some gradient policies, and let's see what is the next step now that I can add this. So I want to just icon of subscription. So let's pick a icon from subscription. Or clock. So, and how we can add this. I want to go to the nav bar, or not just the nav bar. So I'll pick this logo from the website. And go to the all stories. Post, so this is for add and delete. Oops, not PNG. So and here we want to just and let's see now we can see here the clock. So as you can see here the clock we can see now, and I want to make it more small. So here as you can see, but this is the clock, the log, sorry, and when the user is click on this clock he take to uh, another route it about the subscription or the payment. So basically I want to add payment with Stripe. So as you can see here, and we get the API keys and the secret keys or private keys. In Laravel. So we want to integrate this strip so I will get to the developers and so we want to require the composer of or package of Stripe that can include the method we had to make the payment, and we access the director of the exam. So we want to install all the package we want from the required Stripe PHP. After we get the secret key and the public keys from the Stripe as login developer, so I will access the developer sections and we get my secret key and public key. So this is my public key and this is my secret key, and I want to just add on the dot environment because this is our sensitive data and sensitive variables. So let's pick these variables and add on .env file. And update my secret key so this is a secret key. And public key. Now all things are right, so and the services I want to Stripe. Where is the configurations file? I will access the services. Postman, Google, Facebook, and I will add the service of the Stripe, including my Stripe secret and from the .env. So this is it will be replaced by the variables that we added from the Stripe, like published key and secret key. And also let add a new controller. So I will access my router. And I will add a new controller. For the payment. So let's see if the controller are created or not. So he created successfully, and here we want to get the controller. I get my controller, and let's check on the payment controller. Here he is empty. Payment.form, we have checkout, failed successful, we have cancel. And here we want to just copy. So return the view payment, and on the USDT we have like this 1,000 and the quantity. So the quantity we don't need it. Enable to create payment. So the checkout functions that take the secret key and on the Stripe, and we create a payment method like a card. So we just get the template from the Stripe, and here we payment public. So on the view, and here we add a new blade template. Blade.php. So this is just the template from the strip. It already exists, so we don't waste time to build a new template. And I want Dash to copy this. So now what is the next? The next is to add the router of the checkout of the payment when you just click to lock icons to the payment. So let's see what is and what happens. Sorry, here we have some errors, and let's fix it without get to the next step. For example, I want to just and let's see now what is the problem we can. I want to add on the lock. Here we redirect to the payment so wait manifest to find out. Payments.forms. We have the checkout. And here we have the index to get the payment. So play.php. here something R. So I think this the not is the wrong things, and if I return here, so check out the stripe secret. So we want to work with the object relational model, because here we want to add this stripe. So I think on the package I know that on the package. Let's refresh again. The package not so this is try. The package not installed successfully. Let's check now. It will return normally the forms of the checkout. Get the payment checkout. Payment successfully. Post. the problem with this checkout strip. So he turned out invalid. So let's so the so the problem it was on the if you create key, it's wrong, and basically we have this error. Now I know that there will be no problem. So he returned the forms of the checkout. So here, as you can see, he returned the form of the checkout. If we want to add so here we have wrong things, but just we can so now we just finish the payment, but we want to add some subscriptions, and this subscription it will be locked when the user don't make the payment. So how to make it, I think so. I will stop the streaming and I will finish on the next stream live.